Happy I'm a be more. I'm a shake and like it. Like it.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel and season greetings from my family to your family. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this red synthetic unit that I got from ReadyWigs.com. This is their 24-inch 13x6 lace frontal synthetic unit. It had 3 combs behind of the lace, 1 to the back, and it also came with adjustable straps as well. This unit is also big head friendly, so if you are interested to see how I install this unit, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is from ReadyWig, and it came in this cute little box right here. Along with the wig inside of the box, it came with a pair of stocking cap, this cute little spray bottle, and their hair care instruction, along with their social media platforms as well. So onto the cap construction of this unit. This unit is a 13x6 hand-tied deep parting space unit. It is a light brown lace. It has 3 combs to the front portion, 1 to the back, and it also came with adjustable straps as well, so you can adjust it to your liking. And this unit is 24 inches long. So onto the styling part of this video, I'm going in with my black opal foundation in carob to perfect the knot on this unit. So after I finish perfecting the knots, I'm going to try this unit, and sis, can you see this? This unit is like bomb, and this unit is like ready to wear straight out of the box. So I went ahead to cut off the lace around my ear tabs. So now I am fixing that to my liking, and I'm just clipping the hair back, and then I'm going in with my rubbing alcohol to clean off any makeup to the front portion before I lay my got to be glue. So I'm going to be using the got to be glue in the yellow bottle, and then I am going over that with my got to be blast freeze spray. And then after I finish applying that, I'm going in with my blow dryer to blow dry that until it's tacky. So after the glue is tacky, I'm just pulling the lace forward and pushing that into the glue. So that's all I'm doing right now. And then I'm going in with my blow dryer to blow dry that. And then I'm going to take my comb to push the glue more into the lace. So after that, I went ahead to cut off the lace to the front portion. So now I'm going back in with my blast freeze spray. So after I finish applying the blast free spray, I'm just gonna tie down my hair for a bit, and then after that I went in with my dark chocolate foundation in LA Pro coverage, and I'm just perfecting the knot on this unit. And sis, like, look at this synthetic unit. This unit is a bomb, and you can't tell me it isn't. It definitely is to lay. So now I'm just going to lay some baby hair. Today I'm going to be doing just a minimal amount of baby hair, and to lay my baby hair I'm just using my got to be blast free spray. Nothing too dramatic today, just minimal baby hair. So I'm just perfecting the baby hair to my liking, and I'm going back in with more blast free spray to keep them laid. So all the information for this red 24-inch synthetic unit will be linked in my description bar down below, so you can go ahead and purchase this unit. This unit retails for $65 US, so you can't go wrong with this red synthetic unit for the Christmas season. So after I finish perfecting my baby hair to my liking, I'm going back in with my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in dark chocolate to the front portion of this unit to perfect the knots along with the parting area. So this is the end result of this hair, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in my next video, and God bless.
I want your loving. I know they talk much,